The following is a discussion with Bob Briggs, CEO of PeopleWorks International, on how PeopleWorks helps clients build great companies and achieve world-class operating excellence and profitability. Okay, Bob, well, it sounds like the beginning of any project in this area starts with some type of measurement that, like any other business problem, you need to gather data, analyze it, formulate a plan of attack before you launch out and implement it. So talk to us a little bit about what the union vulnerability assessment process looks like and what are the deliverables?
Okay, great. Well, our union vulnerability assessment is a tool that we've been using for about 35 years. We've certainly refined it over a period of time, and it's a very accurate tool for us to identify risk factors in a business. And the UVA measures three things. First, it gives us a good fix on the likelihood of a group of employees, a group of disgruntled employees reaching out to a third party. That's one. Second thing we measure is really looking at a business through the eyes of a union organizer. Unions are businesses, and organizing a plant or a business unit is a very expensive proposition. So they will go through a very careful due diligence process to be able to determine if they can win. And we use the same process used by the AFL-CIO by their union organizers, and so we get a very good idea of how attractive a particular business or organization is to a union organizer. The third piece of what we measure is leadership capability. Does the leadership team within this business unit or the plant or facility have the skill sets to be able to lead in a way that will keep the unions out and create a great place to work? And so we take a really close look at the leadership capability of everyone within that business unit or within that plant, et cetera. Now, in terms of the process, first thing we do is meet with all of the leaders at a particular location. That means supervisors, managers, executives, and we explain exactly what the situation is, what the process is, and we don't use the word union. We're all about assessing the operation, understanding strengths and weaknesses, and so the presentation we make is really all about continuous improvement. How do we help our facility get better? And so we have a set of about 75 to 100 questions that we ask electronically through an electronic survey. Once we have that data, then we craft questions, a question set based on where we see the potential problems and hot spots. And then we'll go back on site and meet with a cross-section of supervisors, managers, and executives with those questions to get more detail, to take a little deeper dive into what's going on. We'll then assess that data, put it in a very detailed report, and then within 3 weeks we'll be in front of the key leadership team with a detailed presentation on, here are the strengths of your operation, here are the things that create risk, and we also make a very detailed recommendation on the things that need to be done to protect the business from unionization. And start to finish, as I mentioned, is about 3 weeks. In an emergency situation, we can turn it around in 5 or 6 days. It's a great way, if you've got some concern about union activity, to really find out for sure exactly what's going on and what changes are necessary. One of the things that's very important about this whole effort, this whole process, is that to protect your business from union activity, or to protect any business from union activity, requires a detailed, measurable strategy, just like any other business strategy. Good news is that it's not just about keeping unions out. In fact, that's a result of just running your business more effectively. So the focus is on leadership, the focus is on communications, the focus is on how to create a great place to work through this process. And that's why, you know, what we do is so effective. We focus on culture, not on the more negative things about, creating an adversarial relationship with employees or unions or union organizers, et cetera.
If you have any concern that your employees may reach out to a union, or you simply want to eliminate that risk, please call us today at 800-505-3978 to learn how we can help. Please listen to other segments of these interviews. Visit our website at www.peopleworksinternational.com or sign up for a free question and answer webinar. The cost of doing nothing can be catastrophic to your operations and your bottom line, so we hope to hear from you soon.